Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Riya's Techno World. In this video, I am going to tell about how to open Instagram links in YouTube app. First, go to Google Chrome and in the search box you have to type App Opener. Now select App Opener. Here you have to paste the link. Now enter CAPTCHA value. Here you have to copy the link. Now open Instagram and paste the copied link. That's it. Now you can open Instagram link in YouTube app. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos.